about to race my coworker's Subaru BRZ. I think all he has is an exhaust, like a catback. I don't think he has anything else done besides like appearance stuff. So I'm not sure what these run in the quarter. I think that they're like a high 14. I don't really know much about them, but I see people say that, you know, they're not like super fast. They're not all that. So I think it should be a good run, because I mean this one isn't all that either. Right now I did put those RDX injectors 410cc, so I upped the boost to 10 pounds, but it's still a single cam. If you're not up to date with the channel, it's just a D16 with 10 pounds, so it's probably like, I don't know, like 180 horsepower. I think those things have like 200, but I'm sure I'm a little lighter maybe, so I don't know, it should be a interesting race. We just went from a 20 and I tried to power shift it and I smoked my clutch so fucking bad. My buddy had smoked it the other day, he started to slip it, but I think I just like fucking killed it 100%. It was just bouncing off the rev limiter and I was in third gear. Golly.